Hey guys, there's fireworks. Thought I'd share it with you. They were so much cooler before. Look at those. There you go, getting some good ones in there now. I can hear them now, right? Oh, I see them behind the bunch. And there are people screaming. Yeah, my city is really crazy. Doing fireworks since the afternoon. What are those sparklers? Oh my god. Okay. Oh, I see more over here. It's a loud one. But here's more. But then there's some on this side too. We can't see them. This video 2 minutes. Someone like every single side. So they're turning off, they're gonna get really good. Oh, look at that! It's flashing over there. Jeez. You can see it, but it's flashing over there. Can you see that? Oh, it stopped. They're just flashing on and off like a flickering light. But you can't see it from over here. Can you? I wish you could. Oh! Did you see that? Oh, look at that! Go over there, window. Oh, now it's done. So amazing. That's a random light. No! Start up, that was so awesome! Oh, I see one! What? This is so confusing. They're coming from everywhere. Jeez. But I can't see any. But I can hear them. We should go up front. I want to know where these are coming from. Oh! I see more. Here you go. This is fireworks from every direction. They sound like I said erection. I said direction. Oh! Purple! Yes, I freak out when I see purple. I'm sorry. Purple's my favorite color, if you can't tell. Oh! That is so pretty! Okay, there's some coming from here, some coming from here, some coming from here, some coming from back, there at the front. Video is almost 5 minutes. I don't want to stop now. See? No! Damn it. I'm so confused. Oh, I see something gonna light off. I can see to the back edge because I'm a creeper. Like that. Okay. We're gonna go now. I'm serious this time.